I just scanned this Docker image and found 5 critical security holes. But here's the crazy part. I had AI explain every single one in plain English, and automatically tell me which alternative images to test, all running completely free on my laptop. Here's the problem. We pull Docker images every day. Node, latest, Python, 3.9, Alpine. We just trust them. But what if I told you that even official images can have dozens of security vulnerabilities? Traditional security scanners give you this: CVE numbers, technical jargon, zero context, and when AI recommends a secure alternative, sometimes it's actually worse. I discovered this the hard way, and I'll show you exactly what happened. So I built this, an AI-powered Docker security scanner that not only explains vulnerabilities in simple terms, but also helps you find the actually secure alternatives. And it's 100% free, runs completely on your laptop using local AI. Here's how it works. Trivy scans the Docker image for vulnerabilities. Then we feed each one to Llama 3.2 running locally through Ollama. The AI explains what each vulnerability means in plain English. And here's the new part. It also suggests alternative images to test. And I built a comparison tool to actually verify which one is safest. Let me show you the problem I discovered. First, I'll scan nginx latest. The scanner finds 5 high vulnerabilities. Now watch what the AI does. The AI is smart. It looked at my image and suggested I test Alpine, Slim, and distroless variants because those are typically more secure. It even gives me the exact command to run. So let me trust it and try a specific Alpine version. Wait. 14 vulnerabilities. That's almost 3 times worse. This is exactly why you can't blindly trust AI recommendations, even when they seem logical. Alpine images are usually more secure, but not always. So I built a comparison tool that actually tests multiple variants and shows you which one is really the most secure. Let me test 4 different nginx variants. Interesting. The tool scans each image. Nginx latest has 5 vulnerabilities. Nginx Alpine. Look at this. 0 vulnerabilities. But that 1.27 Alpine version I tested earlier. 14 vulnerabilities. 3 of them critical. Nginx Slim. That tag doesn't even exist, so the scan failed. This is exactly why you need to test, not just guess. Nginx Alpine is the clear winner. 0 vulnerabilities. Nginx latest has 5. And that specific Alpine version with the version tag. 14 vulnerabilities including 3 critical ones. The comparison tool does the work for you and shows exactly which image is safest. No guessing, just data. But the best part, the AI doesn't just count vulnerabilities, it actually explains what each one means. Let me show you. Look at this explanation. The AI breaks it down into 3 parts. First, what it means. A memory allocation bug in the glib library. Then it uses an analogy, like a recipe book with incorrect measurements, to explain why it's dangerous. It can cause crashes, data leaks, or code execution attacks. And finally, it tells you how to fix it. Avoid using memline, use malloc instead, or add compiler flags to catch these issues. This is way more useful than just seeing CVE 2026-0861 and having to Google it. So what did we accomplish? We built a scanner that finds vulnerabilities, explains them in plain English using local AI, and helps you find actually secure alternatives by testing them side by side. Everything runs locally on your laptop. No OpenAI API costs. No cloud services. Just free, open source tools working together. I've scanned over 50 different images, nginx, Python, Node, Ubuntu, and every time, the AI gives clear explanations that actually make sense. All the code is on GitHub, link in the description. You can clone it and run it yourself in about 10 minutes. The README has complete installation instructions for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Everything you need is there: setup scripts, usage examples, and troubleshooting guides. This is project number 1 in my AI plus DevOps series. I'm building 12 projects total, combining traditional DevOps tools with modern AI capabilities. If you want to see the next project, I'm building an AI that debugs Kubernetes pods. Hit that subscribe button. I'm posting 1 project a week. And if you build this yourself, drop a comment and let me know what you scanned first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.